school and everybody's laughing really hard. And
You gonna play another one?
Talking and they all started looking at me. And, well, duh. It's that freaky noise. And they all started. Sounds like a choking bird. It sounds like a dying animal or something. A choking animal. You have a seizure over there?
Your throat's having a seizure.
Good job. Hurry up. Okay. You must pick the green ones first. What's that one?
That's a swish.
Squash.
That's a squash.
Yes, that's a
That's a squash.
Is this my wolf?
You're
This is a
getting
little
lucky.
squash.
Yeah, you're getting lucky.
I'm getting lucky.
Yes, you are. Look at you.
There's another squash.
Yes. Now pick it up. See, look at that. Too slow.
Uh-oh, it's all gone.
Hurry, click it. You guys eat loud.
You have big ears.
The camera's gonna pick up all your
My house? To eat my house?
pigs.
Pigs?
Oh no! You better hurry up. Oh no.
Quick, get them with the squash. Get them with the squash.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Good job. Oh, all right, you got it.
All right. That's a swish.
You got it. You got lucky.
I got lucky.
Yes.
She's not eating the swish.
Squash.
It's not eating the squash. That's my book.
What is all that stuff? Is for that from the dry erase marker?
Yeah, I'm mocha. He said first the sun is working. It's very useful. Look at it. Look at it.
Pick it up. Hurry up. Pick it up. And put it. That's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah, sucker.
Yes, sucker. He also said it's
You gotta get another one.
okay.
Hurry, put it behind the blue one. Hurry, pick it up. Put it behind the blue one. No, 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 over here. Over here. Over here. Orlando, put it over here. Oh, he's gonna go to your house.
No! I say no. I said to the money.
You better put one over here. Hurry. Hurry. Let it go. He got to your house.
He eat my house and he
He's
won.
gonna eat your brains.